The big thing for Lou when he came to New York City was checking out Coney Island. He's been seeing it on TikTok and all that stuff, just a bunch of Coney Island videos. Now, it was winter time, but we still went to Coney Island. We walked down the boardwalk. It wasn't packed or nothing like that. The beach is still beautiful. You caught the sunset. There was still some action. There was a little live band going on. We were outside the Cyclone there. So we checked out the aquarium. Learned a lot about the environment inside that aquarium. It's kind of amazing. So check it out. Coney Island, New York City Aquarium. VFC's travels on YouTube. There's no life like the good life. Ah, yeah. Now, when the weather gets warmer, this boardwalk and these beaches are pretty packed. And that amusement park is open and all these hot dog and food stands. It's really a good time, Coney Island. You wouldn't think of New York to go to the beach, but it is. But even though it's cold, you got the locals out here playing some good music. The Puerto Rican flag going. We stuck around for the street music a little bit, but then we got in the main attraction, which was the New York Aquarium. Ah, yeah. I'll tell you what though, seeing these little guys sticking up from the sand will make me think twice every time I put my feet in the water again. Even though it's cold, the New York Aquarium's year-round family fun. Ah yeah, check out these guys. Little family domestic dispute going on. All the poor guy wanted to do was go watch the football game. I don't know what it was, but I was enthralled by these penguins. They had the one guy swimming in the water there, and they all started marching over as me and Louie walked up. They must have said, "Look at the fucking nose on that guy." I used to love coming to this aquarium as a kid, and I can tell you they've done a lot of upgrades since then, of course. Even though it was only a couple years ago for sure. But here we are in the shark tank. You walk through it, you look up, there's water, fish, sharks. Pretty cool. They have a whole exhibit dedicated to the local aquatic life. So New York's not just all pollution in the water, you actually got some life down there too. And then you take in the sea lion show. This was pretty cool. I'll give you a little sampling here.
Sarah, and it will be my pleasure to introduce our sea lion stars and their trainer.
Spent about an hour in here watching them do tricks with these guys and learning all about the wildlife and the environment. And as really cool as these things look in the water, my whole body just got itchy and it looks like a whole lot of pain if you go swimming with these guys, but how cool is that shit? And this, forget about it. I don't know if I'm ever putting my feet on the ocean floor again. But there you go, beautiful Coney Island. The sunset on the way out, the beach, the sand, the live music from the locals, the aquarium, the amusement park that's not open now, but we'll come back when it is, I can guarantee you that. Coney Island, New York City, you gotta love it. And the Cyclone's been going since 1927 for a long time. It's been one of the most famous roller coasters in the United States, and it's still all made of wood. Looks like it's gonna fall apart when you go on it, but it's a good time. We'll come back in the summertime when it's open. Ah yeah, VFC's Travels on YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment. There's no life like the good life. That's what I like to say.